The easiest way to find the square root of any number is to use a calculator. But if we're asked to find the square root of a number without using a calculator, there are two ways in which we can do it. The first method is phenomenally simple. It is called the prime factorization method. We will look at the second method in the coming videos. If you have watched the previous video, you should be familiar with what square roots are. So we can look at square roots of slightly larger numbers in this video. So we want to find the square root of 784. Our aim is very simple. We have to reduce this number to its prime factors. That's all. How do we do it before we go ahead? Let us revise what prime numbers are. A prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. For example, take 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 7. There is no other number which can divide 7. Hence, it's a prime number. Now let's consider 8. 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4 and 8. Apart from 1 and itself, it is also divisible by 2 and 4. Hence, it's not a prime number. So let us start reducing the number 784 into prime factors. So we write 784 here and draw two lines like this. Prime factors are the factors of this number which are prime. Since 784 is an even number, undoubtedly it can be divisible by 2. Now, for ease to divide 784 by 2, let's consider 784 as digit by digit. First, 7. 2 3s are 6, so remaining 1. It joins with the next digit 8, so it becomes 18. 2 9s are 18, then 2 2s are 4. Consequently, we get 392. 2 is prime, but 392 is not. So let's reduce 392 further. Since 392 is even, we can divisible it by 2. Same procedure we are gonna follow. In 392, consider 3. 2 1s are 2, so remaining 1. It joins with the next digit 9, so it becomes 19. 2 9s are 18, remaining 1 again. It joins with the next digit 2, therefore it becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. We get 196, which is also not a prime number. Since it's even, we can divisible it by 2. Here, we cannot divide 1 by 2, right? In this kind of situation, consider the next digit 2. That's 9. With a number we cannot divide. That's 1. Together, 19. But before we dividing this, we should write 0 underneath. Some people might think it is not necessary to put 0 before an integer. Yeah, in this situation it is okay. In the next videos, you will see its importance. So let's consider the first two digits 19. 2 9s are 18, remaining 1. It joins with the next digit 6, so it becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. We get 98, which is also not prime. Hence, we continue with this process. 98 is also divisible by 2. Hence, we write a 2 here and 2 multiplied by 49 gives us 98. 49 is not prime, and we can say that 7 times 7 equals 49. That's where when we stop when we get a prime factor here. So if we look carefully, we have got all the prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. Now we are getting to the most important point. How will this help us find the square root of 784? You will not believe how simple it is. We write this as square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. We have to make groups of two same numbers. This can be our first group 2 and 2. We can make another group again 2 and 2, then 7 and 7. We basically form pairs of same numbers. So we have 3 pairs of same numbers. Once we form pairs to find the square root, all we have to do is pick one number from each pair and multiply them. So, from the first and the second pairs, we pick 2, and from the third pair, we pick 7. And we multiply 2 2s and 7, which gives us 28. At first this seems long, but with practice it gets very simple. All we did is broke down the number to its prime factors, made pairs, choose one number from each pair and multiplied them.